how to send high quality video on Messenger. Today I will show you that how can you send high quality video on Messenger. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you will have to open the Google Drive on your phone. So simply open the Google Drive, and now from here you have to upload that video whom you want to share in Messenger. So you have to upload like this. So you can use the plus icon to upload, and from here as usual you have to go with the option upload. And after you upload the specific video whom you want to share in Messenger, you'll have to click on that video three dot which will appear on the right section of that video. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to go with the options manage access. Okay, so from here in the general access, you'll have to tap on it and make this general access settings as anyone with the link. So simply you have to set it from here. And now after that, back from there and again click on that three dot and copy the link of that video. Okay, so after you copied the link to your clipboard, you will have to back from here and now open the Messenger and open the conversation whom you want to send the high quality video. So right now I'm selecting this, and now here you will have to paste that Google Drive link. Okay, so by this process, you'll be able to send high quality video on Messenger. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.